blinded by the urge to feed his addiction. Losing his family is only a glimpse of the heartaches that he's unable to see.
I don't want to leave. I don't want to go.
I want you out.
Tu devrais avoir honte de toi, drogué.
Dorival Brothers Entertainment presents a brand new family drama that'll keep you on the edge of your seats. The Promise, directed by Edwin Dorival.
Found your son.
My son?
Yes, overdosed in an abandoned building next to the park.
Come and enjoy the grand premiere of this amazing film on Sunday, April 14th at Cinestars, 7305 Boulevard Langelier in St. Leonard. Showtime 7 p.m. This event is free, so be there. For more information, visit us at www.thepromisemovie.ca.
I don't have to tell you how critical it is for you to take care of this yourself.
Is it done?
Now it is.